pause the video if you want to read recipes.
We're using pasteurized yeast. Smells good? Okay, that's enough.
Wipe for nose wiping.
Wipe for
Wipe for
nose
nose wiping.
Who says that? Oh, that's so big now. Why is it so big?
Oh, no.
We can make a pizza with that.
No, we can't.
Okay, cover it back up. Okay, so I have decided that we have too much dough. So we're gonna make a pizza. Try to keep it a thick crust. And maybe make it a stuffed crust. And then we're gonna make some breadsticks along with it. So the breadsticks, I minced up some garlic very finely. I'm gonna add some butter to it and melt it in the microwave. The microwave should have like a low power option. So that was 30 seconds at half power, maybe another 30. Perfect. There we go.
What?
Okay, get some more in your hands. Is it your hand?
Cheese, bow wow wow, cheese.
It feels like there's a piece of paper on it. Oh! Touch it gently. Oh, we're gonna cut this much.
We can make 5 breadsticks.
You wanna make 5 of them? Okay, can you cut 5 pieces with this? You have 5 yet?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Daddy loves garlic.
I love garlic.
You do? Maybe we can share this one.
I smell the butter garlic in the house too.
In the house? Yeah, it fills the room. Stop, 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 stop.
Very good.
Okay, and we're just gonna put this cheese around the crust.
That sounds weird.
Sounds weird? Some salt. I'm gonna do that. Okay. We're gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. Okay. That's good. I'll fix it.
We'll see you in a little bit.
Nathan, how does this pizza smell?
Good.
Pizza smells really good right now. I think that garlic on top of the pizza is just making it smell so fragrant. You can hardly wait. It's only been 5 minutes, but look at that. I think the breadsticks might be done. Okay, Nathan, keep washing dishes, okay? I'm just gonna get the breadsticks. Or play with the dishes. Oh, they feel kind of hard. Maybe they're overcooked. I'm still setting up and you just took a bite. Did you like it?
See?
Actually, it feels soft. These might be kind of harder because they're smaller. You didn't need it very long to cook.
I'm going to try this one.
Tastes like breadstick.
Oh, this one is crunchy. Try this one.
Mmm.
Is it crunchy?
Mm-hmm. Oh, pizza's done. Hmm?
I totally taste the butter.
You totally taste the butter.
Do you smell this?
How's it smell?
Good. No, it's very good.
The smaller one, it cooks too fast.
And the big one?
The big one cooks just right. You really like garlic?
Mm.
Ooh, I'm so impressed. Thanks for watching
No,
again.
I didn't try the pizza.
Oh, we didn't try the pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Take a look and see the crust. Oh. There's cheese inside and it's melted. See the cheese in there? Isn't that so cool?
Why is it now?
Because we put it in the oven and it was hot.
Is it crispy?
Before you say any more, I want you to try it.
Why not crunchy?
Yeah, the crust is really good.
It's not crunchy.
Yeah, I kind of like it soft sometimes though. So the crust, it does have the outer shell, but it's so fluffy inside, so soft. I don't know if it's the cheese that helped it or if it's the new yeast, maybe because we didn't flatten it. We just worked it by hand. But it's so good, it's so fluffy. It has cheese in it, and I like it. It's a little soggy, soggier than last time. Maybe we needed to use the entire thing of dough to make it a thick crust. But we also had a lot of toppings. So we had the bacon in there, we had sausage and pepperoni, we had the vegetables. And they were pretty piled on. So. Oh, and we put cheese on there first, which was kind of different. Did you like this one, or did you like the one yesterday?
One yesterday? Because you didn't put any vegetables on mine.
Oh, okay. But if this didn't have any vegetables, do you like it better?
Mm-hmm.
I definitely think that this one was much better than yesterday's. We made 2 of them yesterday. The first one, we flattened it with a rolling pin, and then the second one, we didn't flatten it. We just kind of stretched it with our hands, and that one was better. And today is the best.
But we had 3 pizzas.
We had 3 pizzas.
And we had 3 videos of we making pizza. That makes sense?
Yeah, we might put it all into one. Or should we make 3 different videos?
3 different videos.
Why?
Okay.
That's so many videos.
To make a dinosaur video?
You know how long it takes Daddy to edit these videos? Are you gonna edit the videos?
No.
No.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hey, thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in our next video.
Smell you later.
Smell right now. Stay tuned, everybody, if you want to watch the video. But they're not saying cheese.
My turn.
My turn.
Okay, you want to put your hand in there?